wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. Today me and Chandra sir are there as per the promise, because you know guys, strength of material fluid mechanics classes are already there, already have been completed. So today we are having the Menti war, and this war is going to be between two teams. One team would be mine, other team would be of Chandra sir, and let us see which team is going to be winner for today's match. Okay, so as IPL is going towards the end, we are also having a kind of IPL. So this is a Menti war, guys. So yes, Chandra sir.
Yes, good evening everyone. I hope everyone is safe and sound and have done your preparation to the level best to score better and better in this Menti quiz. Actually, these quizzes are important because they give you the understanding how much is your performance level, what else need to be improved. So that is why we keep on bringing after each and every session, or after each and every subject, we bring these type of sessions. So that will help you to understand your strengths and weaknesses. So guys, please do like this session. Do bring more and more competitors in the session so that it will be fun learning the concept, improving your concept.
And that would also be giving you idea where you lie.
Yes, that is important. Yes. Whether you are going in the right direction or not.
Yes. So guys, do like and share the session so that other students also join this session, and we will get more and more students in this session. So guys, this is going to be between strength of material and fluid mechanics. So guys, let us start this session with some of introduction. This is my introduction. As you already know, every day we are coming with the sessions. These are 10+ years of experience of mine, and these are the subjects of you can say my preference. And strength of material we have already completed. Next subject coming in the series is theory of machines. Okay, now about Chandra sir.
I have done my graduation in from IIT Delhi in 2006, and having more than 9 years of teaching experience, and I am quite comfortable in these many subjects of mechanical engineering. Fluid mechanics and strength of materials are common for mechanical and civil. So bring your civil friends also. If you are from mechanical, we would request you guys to bring your civil friends. If you are a civil engineer, ask your mechanical friends to be part of this session.
So guys, before we give you the Mentimeter credential, just ask your friend also to join. So guys, these are the Telegram channel where you can get all the PDFs related to the sessions. Like today morning, I had a session of deflection of beams, and I have shared the PDF in that Telegram channel. You can go for that. Handwritten notes of different subjects are also available there. Previous year's gate questions are also available. So just join the Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana and Mechanical by Chandrasekhar. So guys, on these two Telegram channels, if you would be joining, you would be getting exam notification, PDF notes, sessions updates, and daily important questions and doubt clarification. These are the benefits of joining these Telegram channel. And guys, now I would be telling you about GATE 2022 results. As you know, Parvinder Singh, AIR 3, AIR 2, Vandit Patel. So all these are the classroom students you have seen. Let's move further guys, and this is an important announcement that I already told you when the strength of material would be completed. After that, we would be having a practice session, because at that time many students were requesting for the questions. So guys, I already told you that we would be going for that. So complete strength of material we are going to do with 25 to 30 questions, and guys, they would be the best questions, and they would be covering all the important concept of the chapter. Okay, so this is going to be a CTQ, and guys, it is a marathon session, and it would be at 12 noon tomorrow. So do join this session. It will give you a good practice of strength of material questions. Okay, and guys, why we have kept time 12? Because at 11 you have a scholarship test from BYJU'S Exam Prep. So after attending that test, you would directly be joining the session. This is one more important announcement. As you know, interviews are very important part, and also GATE is asking many conceptual things. So for the students who are going for preparation of interviews and very good concepts, for them we are coming with concept capsules. In that, twice a week we are going to give you some wonderful concept where you would be learning some new things, and they would be helping you in interviews, as well as they would be helping you in some very good conceptual questions of GATE. So guys, GATE as well as ESC and ISRO bar type of questions also would be there. So here we would be covering wonderful concepts in some different way in 15, 20, 25 minutes. So they would be small sessions where you would be getting help on some very important topic. Okay, so guys, this is a session today This is the session by Rakesh Talreja sir, and it would be today only, tonight at 10, and you would be joining this session because nowadays many students are feeling this stress and anxiety, and guys, for that you would be having this session and it would be helping you. Okay, so now we are moving. So Chandra sir, let's start the session now.
Yes sir, and we would ask everyone to keep your pen, notebook and calculator also handy, because there will be theoretical conceptual questions as well as there will be some numericals.
Yes,
so
yes,
you might require the calculator.
So before we go, this is an important announcement, because tomorrow 1st May 11 AM you have the scholarship test. The students who are willing to go for this test, definitely they would be getting the scholarships up to 90%. So guys, just go for the test, and there are many students who are economical backward. They also want to go for the coaching. So if any of your friend also is interesting to prepare for the GATE, this is a very good opportunity.
And sir, if somebody is not interested to get the scholarship, then also it will be helpful. The test is going to be helpful for understanding your
giving test would give you some, and it is free to give. Okay, that is the point.
Right, sir.
So okay, so let's start, sir.
Yes, sir. So we will be having 10 questions from fluid mechanics and 10 questions from strength of materials, right? And let us first decide, sir, in which team, how the team will be divided. Those who like fluid mechanics, they can join my team. Those who like strength of materials.
Actually, when you would be going with the then we would not be able to know that which student is in my team, which student is in your team. So guys, we would be going as per regularly we are going with. Here actually both of us are having names C and D, so it is coming in the first row only. But still we would be having a division that, how you will say, sir?
So it will be a problem, because there are students who neither like fluid mechanics nor like strength of
let's have from A to J. So the student whose first alphabet of the name is lying between A to J are in Chandra sir's teams, and after that, yes, from K to Z would be in my team. Okay, so this is how we are going to dividing the team. So there are two teams. If your name start from A to J, any letter from A to J, you are in Chandra sir's team, and if your name is starting from K to Z, my dear, you are in my team. So let's start the session.
Sir, just a second. I hope everybody knows how to be part of this Menti quiz. You just open menti.com and use the code this 44629054. Once you enter the code, you will be part of this Menti session. You will be able to have the screen which is containing the questions, and along with and here in Menti quiz, two things are important. Not only the accuracy, as well as the time management is going to be important. The one who will give the right answer in the least time will get highest marks. So that is how it works. So please guys, do join menti.com and use this code, everyone. So we will be showing you the first question.
Come on. So we want more and more students to join. So guys, do join. Yes, you would be working on the screen of menti.com, and when you would be putting this code, you would be joining this test. And guys, once you would be joining, you would be able to see the questions on your screen. You would be putting one of the options out of 4.
Only MCQs are there.
Yes, MCQs are there. There is no MSQ, no NAT. Yes. All are MCQs. And once you would be the part of this test, we would be starting it. And guys,
don't write your answer in the comment box.
Yes, don't write in the comment box.
You have to select your answer through this Menti.com.
Yes. Otherwise it would be a problem for you only, because your answer would be copied. Okay, so just join the test, guys, soon.
Yes, everyone, please make some noise. Are you all ready with your pen, paper, calculator and your mindset? So there is the first question from the fluid mechanics. The question is, what is the unit of viscosity of the fluid which is called as poise? There are 4 options, A, B, C, D. You are given only 15 seconds to select. Your time is up. It was a warm-up question, very simple question. If you see, the poise is CGS unit of CGS unit of dynamic viscosity, which is also called as gram per centimeter second, or we can call it as dyne second per centimeter square. So the correct answer is option C. All right, so let us see the leaderboard, where who was the first, whether Dheeraj Sardana sir's teams have opened the account or mine. Can we have the leaderboard? Just a second, sir.
Yes, guys, don't worry. Actually, sometimes it takes time. Okay, guys, we will see the leaderboard after 2 to 3 questions. Let us see the second question now. So second question would be coming in front of you now. You can see the question. So guys, now you will see the question, and yes. So the question is coming in front of you on the screen, guys. The maximum strain energy stored per unit volume in a body without permanent distortion is termed as, that is modulus of resilience, modulus of tenacity, modulus of toughness, or proof resilience. Guys, this is the question from the first chapter where we discuss the concept of strain energy. Let us see how many of you have given the right answer. And guys, I feel 4 students, okay, 2 students have given the right answer. Actually, there is a confusion between the students related to the modulus of resilience and proof resilience. What is that issue actually? So my dear, when we are talking about the diagram is between stress and strain, then my dear, you can say it is said to be the maximum strain energy stored per unit volume. So if you would be having a diagram like this, and my dear, up to elastic limit, the area under stress strain diagram, this is the strain energy stored per unit volume. My dear, it is always said to be the modulus of resilience up to elastic limit. And my dear, if the same thing is done between the P delta curve, then my dear, the same when you would be doing for the P delta curve, this is said to be the strain energy. So my dear, the maximum strain energy is said to be proof resilience, but it is not the maximum strain energy, it is the maximum strain energy per unit volume. So because of that, the answer is going to be modulus of resilience, but not the proof resilience. So this is the issue with the student. That's why I have taken this question. So guys, I feel you have done it wonderfully. So we will see now how many of you have given. Let us see
the leaderboard.
Yes. Fine. So now Mentimeter is.
This is the response students had given.
You can see the leaderboard, guys. So Ranjit Yadav is at the top. So guys,
My team.
no, sir, my team. A to J is your team. After that, my team is there. Okay. So yes. Okay. So fastest response is given by KK. Then also my team only, sir. So you can see first 5 students are from my team only. So sir, I feel your question is now.
Let us find out the third question. What is that? I hope you guys are enjoying. Yes, sir.
The question is coming, guys.
The dimension of the surface tension is, very, very simple question. 15 seconds I had given you. Select the answer judiciously. You will not be able to change your answer. Your time is almost up. Time up. And 6 students had given the correct answer. The unit of dynamic surface tension is, either Newton per meter, or we can multiply and divide by meter. It will become joule per meter square, and that is why the definition of the surface tension can also be the amount of work required to increase unit surface area of the liquid. Let us see who had given the right answer in the fastest possible way.
Yes, guys, actually sometimes the response is slow, so don't worry about that.
What is going on? Shall I press enter, sir? Those who have joined recently, please open menti.com and use this code which is given over the screen, on the top of the screen, to be part of this Menti quiz. Yes, this is the leaderboard. We will use the slide.
Okay. So guys, sometime it is giving slow response. Don't worry about that. Okay, so guys, now we will move further for the next question. Okay, so once again, Ranjit Yadav, Setupati, these two students, they are at the first two position. So once again, my team is at the top. So let's move further. So sir, whether the question is of your subjects, my team is doing well. So let us see the next question, guys. So this question is going to be question number 5. I feel 4th is skipped.
Can we go back to 4th?
Yes. 4th question. So guys, this is the question from strength of material. Let us see the question. So my dear, we are moving to the question now. Yes, the question is coming on the screen. A ductile structure is defined as one for which the plastic deformation before fracture is smaller than the elastic deformation, vanishes, equal to the elastic deformation, much larger than the elastic deformation. So what would be the answer, guys? Let us see how many of you give the right answer. And guys, do join, okay. I feel this time 6 students have given the right answer. That's really great. So guys, this is a good number if you see the previous question. So guys, if you see the question, it is saying a ductile structure. You know, ductility is related to the plastic deformation. So if we are talking about the ductile material, it is obviously would be having more plastic deformation as compared to the elastic deformation. So my dear, when we are talking about this question, the answer is going to be obviously going to be much larger than the elastic deformation. So that is something which is going to separate ductile material from the brittle material. So guys, those who have just joined, just go for menti.com and this is the code. When you would be entering, you would be joining this test. So guys, just join this war, and it is always saying that don't enjoy the game from the commentary box, also come and play, and then you would be having the advantage, and then only you would be learning something.
Where is my team, guys? Where are you? I'm waiting for my team to win this.
Yes, so sir, I feel टीम तो मेरी जीतेगी. Let's move further.
क्वेश्चंस पहले तो नहीं डिस्क्लोज कर दिया अपने टेलीग्राम ग्रुप पे.
Yes. So this is question number 5.
Next question, guys, from the fluid mechanics. Even though I have brought questions from the fluid mechanics, very simple, but still the SOM team or Dheeraj sir team is doing better. But yes, slowly but steadily, definitely my team is going to win the race. The question, this is the leaderboard for the previous questions.
So sir, still my team is at the top. Yes.
Yes. Question 5. Sorry. Question number 5. What is going on?
I feel hang हो गया.
Question number 5 हो चुका है क्या?
नहीं 5 तो आपका
5 आना है ना. Student already responded for question number 5. Yes, the question number 5 is on the screen. Quickly read the question and try to get your answer within the time frame 30 seconds I have given you. the pressure inside a soap bubble. You need to find out the pressure inside a soap bubble, for which diameter and surface tension are given in the question. 15 more seconds to go, everyone. Please use your pen, paper and calculator to give me the answer, right answer. Your time is about to end. Time up now. 3 students had given the correct answer. If you look at the options, they are confusing. There is a difference in the location of the decimal. So you need to be accurate, or you need to do the right calculation to get your answer. So delta P is given by 8 sigma by D. For a soap bubble, it is 8 sigma by D because there are 2 interfaces. And you need to find out delta P. Just put the values. Sigma is 0.1 Newton per meter, and the diameter is given in centimeter. You need to convert into meter. Then you will get the pressure difference in Newton per meter square or Pascal.
Yes, guys. So you guys,
let us see
the Mentimeter once again. Okay, so this is the result after 5 questions. I feel once again my team is going to be the winner till now. Yes, so guys, actually first 4 positions are occupied by us, so we are definitely going to win this. So guys, the next question is question number 6. This question is from the strength of material, and let us see the question, guys. So guys, actually sometimes it is working slowly, so don't worry about that, because sometimes the things are not in our hand, but you are having the questions in front of you for sure. Let us see the question now. Okay, this is going to be question number 6 now. Yes. So the question is, the principal strains at a point in a body are given. This is 1000 into 10 power minus 6. Minus 600 into 10 power minus 6. Find out maximum shear strain at that point. 200 into 10 power minus 6, 800, 1000 or 1600. What is your answer, guys? This is a easy question, but this type of question have been there in the gate many times. Those students who have not joined the VAR till now, just go to the www.menti.com and use this code to enter into the VAR and play from one team. So guys, you can see 6 students have given the right answer for this. And my dear, 6 students have given the right answer. The answer is going to be D for this, because you know, like sigma 1 minus sigma 2 by 2, you write it as tau max. Similarly, we can write epsilon 1 minus epsilon 2 by 2 as gamma maximum by 2. So my dear, when you would be putting this value, you would be having 2 to get cancel out, and you would be getting gamma maximum to be 1600 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, so this is going to be the answer. Let us see where we reached now after this question. Let us see where we reached. Yes. So after question number 6, yes. So Ranjit Yadav maintained the first position, then KK, then Setupati, then Shubham. Now first 5 positions are occupied by my team. Very good. So I feel now Chandra sir's questions term it is. So guys, let us move further now. Now you. I hope
you guys have understood that
question number 7.
Along with the accuracy, the time is also important. There is the question on the screen. It is a numerical question. 30 seconds I have been given for this, and the question is to find out the viscosity of the fluid, and the fluid is water. Quickly, by using the Newton's law of viscosity, you can solve it, but the time constraint is also, the time management is equally important. Yes, guys, those who have joined recently,
like and share the session, guys. I know it is difficult to play with 2 screens at one time, but still, guys, this is the problem.
Oh my God, most of the students had given incorrect answer, that is option B. The correct answer is option A. Look, It is about the unit and dimension. Otherwise, the question is very simple. So, shear stress is given by mu into V by H. That is the formula. Using the Newton's law of viscosity, and the velocity profile can be assumed as linear. The plate 1 mm distance. The question is to find out the kinematic viscosity. Stock is the unit of kinematic viscosity. So mu can be written as tau into H upon V, and if we divide by rho, that will make the kinematic viscosity. That is tau into H upon V into rho. That will give you the answer, and the unit is meter square per second, and CGS unit is centimeter square per second. That is called as stock. So if you put the values, induced shear stress is 0.3. It is kgf per meter square, so we can say into 9.81. 1 kgf is 9.81 Newton. Into H, the thickness of the fluid is 1 mm. That is 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Divide by velocity is 500 mm per second. It is 0.5 into density for water is 10 to the power 3. If you do the calculation, then you will get meter square per second, and 1 meter square per second is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 stock. That is how you can convert it into stock, and if you will do the right calculation, then you will get option A as the correct answer.
Okay guys, so let's move further now. Let's move further. Once again, the result slide. Only KK have given the right answer. I feel he would be moving up.
And he had replaced Ranjit.
Yes. Don't worry guys. There are other questions to come. Present. Okay guys, so we are moving to the next question now. So this is going to be the question number 8 now. Once again from the strength of material as usual. So my dear, at a point in 2D state of stress, this is given as sigma xx is 100 MPa, sigma yy and tau xy is 40 MPa. And my dear, they are asking about the radius of Mohr circle. So if anybody is having any issue, I am writing sigma xx is 100 MPa. Then they are saying sigma yy and tau xy are equals to 40 MPa, and they are asking the radius of Mohr circle. So my dear, I feel everybody would be able to answer this. Yes, the time is going to up. Yes. So guys, very good. So this time 7 students have given the right answer, and that's great. So guys, you know radius of Mohr circle, when we are talking about, it is nothing but the maximum shear stress, which is given as sigma xx minus sigma yy by 2 ka whole square plus tau xy ka whole square, and this will be giving you 50 MPa, and the answer is going to be 5 centimeters. So very good guys, this time you have given the right answer. So now let us move guys, let us move to the next. Yes. So this is the leaderboard. Let us see how it progressed. I feel it is going to be same. Yes. So it is going to be same. Once again, KK is at top only,
and Ranjit at number 2. Setupati is also doing good. Everyone
so now,
is doing
many
good,
positions are occupied up to Shah. This is my team. Okay, so let us move further guys.
Let us move to the fluid mechanics question. Question number 9 on the screen is about to come. Read the question carefully and fast. You should not waste time. The question is plunger and ram. The question is from the Pascal law. Everyone, 30 seconds you have been provided. So just concentrate, do the calculation, and get your right answer within the limited time. 15 more seconds to go. Everyone.
So guys, we are coming with this Menti only to give you a feel, because this option thing we can do on YouTube with the help of Menti. Okay, so otherwise we would not be able to know how many of you have given the right answer. Okay,
your time is up, and it will help you to improve, to handle the pressure as well, sir.
Yes,
it is going to improve your pressure handling ability. So the correct answer is 25.352 kilonewton. Let us see what mistake you guys have committed, those who have not got the correct answer. So the question is from the Pascal law. P1 will be equal to P2, or we can say F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2, and it is circular. The areas are circular because the diameters are given, so we can say F1 by D1 square is equal to F2 by D2 square, isn't it? So the plunger is, that is 1, hydraulic press are 5 centimeter. The diameter D1 is 5 centimeter and D2 is 24 centimeter respectively. What weight could be lifted if the force at the plunger is 1100? F1 is given. Can't you find out F2? What the mistake people commit? They write A1 as 5 centimeter and A2 as 24 centimeter. That is not correct. You should write the diameter. Diameter square will be taken into consideration. If you will do the calculation, you will get the option D as the correct answer. Let us see who were those 2 students who had got the right answer. Let us see the leaderboard, guys. Please do share this session to all your friends, all your colleagues, and those who have come for the first time. Do join menti.com using the code which is there on the screen.
So once again, KK is at the top only. So guys,
but Shubham had replaced Setupati this time.
Yes.
That is the fun, guys. We cannot predict who is going to be the winner because there is very less gap between each and every student.
Sir, we cannot predict the student, but we can predict the team. Team for sure. Okay. So we cannot predict the man of the match, but team is sure for that. So let us see the next question, guys. Once again, the question is going to be from strength of material now. So guys, the question is the principal strains at a point, they are given to you. The principal strains are given to you. And you can see there are 3 principal strains, epsilon 1, epsilon 2 and epsilon 3. You need to find out the volumetric strain. It is a very easy question. Epsilon 1, epsilon 2 and epsilon 3 are given to you, and they are asking you the volumetric strain. Options are there in front of you. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. This is a strength of material question. Yes, guys, do like and share the session. Okay, very good.
Oh,
so guys, 7 students have given the right answer.
Everyone except 1 student.
Yes. So guys, you know epsilon 1 plus epsilon 2 plus epsilon 3 is volumetric strain. So it is very much understood that plus 800 plus 400 would be plus 1200 minus 1200. The answer is going to be 0. This is the previous year's engineering services question. Okay. So guys, majority of you have given the right answer. That's really great. Let us see, is there any change in the leaderboard or not? Let us see.
So how you guys are finding the difficulty level of the question?
Yes.
Is FM easy or is strength of materials easy?
So guys,
yes, Shubham is surpassing everyone.
Yes. So now KK, Shubham, Ranjit, Setupati, Shah, Vamshi, these are the positions. Okay.
And Anil, Dennis, Elswart, S, you also have the capability to,
yes, sir, Danish
to
and
reach.
Anil. These are hopes for you, and also elsewhere. Okay.
Yes, definitely, we will not lose hope.
Yes, sir. So let's move further. So guys, the next question would be coming in front of you now.
From the fluid mechanics this time. Very conceptual question, and it had been asked in GATE previous paper. It is very standard question, and so many students commit mistake in this question. So be careful, do the calculation carefully, write the pressure equation carefully. You are still having 15 seconds to select your answer. Yes, 5 more seconds to go. Guys, do join those who have not started joining the Menti Quiz yet. Only 1 student had given the correct answer. Majority of students had got incorrect answer. 26 is not right. 126 is not right. What is the problem with the question? Look, I hope you remember the diagram. The pressure of the gas. Can we go back to the previous slide, sir? This is the leaderboard. Let us have the leaderboard first. Then we'll move to the previous slide. it is the gauge pressure which is given actually. KK is still the topper.
Last में जाना.
Previous slide. One more.
SOM का है तो.
Yes, the figure is not there. Let me explain it without the figure only. This was the figure like this. This was H. The question was to find out the value of H. Now the pressure of gas in the bulb is 50 centimeter Hg vacuum. That is important. That is the gauge pressure. Gauge pressure at A is minus 50 centimeter Hg. And the atmospheric pressure is 76 centimeter Hg. What is the height of the column? So if we write the pressure equation, we can start with point A, PA. We are moving in downward direction, plus here also there will be PA because gas is having the negligible variation in the pressure. So PA is here, pressure here is PA. We are moving in downward direction, plus, and we are moving in mercury only. So H is equal to 0. Why 0? Because we need to find out the gauge pressure, and 0 in place of atmospheric pressure we can assume it as 0 to get the gauge pressure. And so H will be equal to minus PA gauge. And what is the gauge pressure? That is minus 50 centimeter. So H will be 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter will be the correct answer.
Yes, so guys, now let us move to the next. Now we will see once again the leaderboard. Yes, this is the leaderboard, and then we will move to the next question. So after this question, now we will see the leaderboard after every 2 questions. Okay. Very good. Once again, Setupati reached to second position. That's really great. मजा आ रहा है. इस तरह का competition देखने को मिल रहा है.
The competition is going to be very, very tough.
Yes. Let us move to the question number 12, guys. Now we will see the leaderboard after 2 questions. Okay. So the question is, the state of stress at point P in 2D loading is given by a Mohr circle at 175. Mohr circle is a point. So the condition is used when Mohr circle is a point, and this is the magnitude, and they are saying that find out the maximum and minimum principal stresses. Options are there in front of you. Let us see how many of you give the right answer. This is a very easy question, I will say, but this is a question from GATE Civil Engineering. So guys, as I said, we are taking care of both mechanical and civil as their common subjects. So guys, this Mentimeter, whenever you are having Menti War, we are just keeping the conceptual question, okay? Because in war we cannot give you more time for that, okay? But my dear, like tomorrow I'm going to take a practice session. In that practice session, we would be having some very good level of questions, okay? So you can see for this question only 2 students have given the right answer. So as per the given condition, Mohr circle is a point here. So you know the Mohr circle where its extreme points cuts the x-axis, that will give you the principal stress value. When Mohr circle is becoming the point, then my dear, both the end of this circle are reaching at one point, that is 175. So this is the condition when sigma 1 and sigma 2 both will become 175. So the answer for this is going to be B. Okay, I feel you got it now, because this is a point, so both the ends would be at the same difference. If Mohr circle would be like this, then we would be saying this is sigma 1, this is sigma 2. So here sigma 1 and sigma 2 are going to be equal. Okay, so guys, now let us move to the next question.
So guys, there are 8 more questions to go. You still have chance to win the battle. The next question is from the fluid mechanics now, guys. Are you able to see it? The vertical rectangular wall with a width of 20 meter and height of 12 meter is holding a 7 meter deep water body. You need to find out the hydrostatic force on the wall. Very simple question, formula based. Everyone, please do respond within the limited time frame. 10 more seconds to go. Everyone, guys. And those who have come to the session for the first time, do join menti.com and use the code which is there on the top of the screen. Your time is up. Now The students who had got the correct answer have increased this time. C is the right answer. Let us have the leaderboard now. Yes, the fastest one was Shah. Yes, let us see. This was the previous question. This was the leaderboard for the previous question. So it is rho g ax bar, isn't it? But you need to find out the area correctly and x bar correctly. You need to find out the area and x bar correctly. That is important. So rho is water, F is equal to 10 to the power 3 into G is 9.81. And what will be the area? Look, the rectangle is having the width of 20 meter and a height of 12 meter. And the water is filled up to 7 meter height only. So you need to take this area for calculation of hydrostatic force. What is that? That is 7 into 20 into 20. And what will be the value of x bar? The centroid of the given figure from the free surface of the liquid. That will be 7 by 2. That will be 7 by 2, isn't it? This will give you the answer. Are you getting the answer?
So the answer is 4806.
Yes. The answer will be 4806.9 kilonewton.
Okay,
Right.
guys. So now let us move to the next question, and after that question only we will see the leaderboard. Okay. So let us see now. The next question is from strength of material now. Yes, question number 14 in front of you. The question is a thin cylinder. This is, you can see every topic I have covered. A thin cylinder, pressure vessel with mean diameter. So diameter is given to you, thickness is given to you. My dear, dia is given, thickness is given. And also this yield strength is also given. You need to find out the factor of safety
Using
and
MSST.
MSST. It means this is a combined question of thin cylinder and theory of failure. So guys, two topics are being covered in the single question. And let us see the correct answers. How many of you are giving it? Very good number. 5 students have given the right answer. So dear, it is very easy to find out for thin cylinder. The circumferential stress is PD by 40. And when you will be having PD by 40, you can see the pressure is going to be 0.4 MPa, diameter is 10, and my dear, thickness you can see is given as 20 mm. So my dear, you would be getting this value. So sigma C, this is going to be the stress. You would be putting SYT divided by N. So N would be coming out to be 2 for this case. It is very easy question. 5 students have given the right answer. So guys, now let us see the leaderboard. After 14 question where we live, after this question we will go for 17 and 20th question only. So once again I feel there is no much change is going to be there. Yes, KK Setupati Shubham is once again moving up. Ranjit, what you are doing this time, you are doing going down. So still you have the chance, guys, you can see.
And Shubham is the fastest for this question.
Yes, let's move further, guys. Let's move further. The next question from fluid mechanics.
Fluid mechanics.
Is coming.
Yes, the next question from the fluid mechanics. Very simple, very conceptual question. I hope you guys memorize this by heart. That is why I had given you only 15 seconds. For a floating body to be in stable equilibrium, what will be the condition? There are options given at the bottom of the slide. Your time is up. Everyone, most of the students had given the correct answer. M lies above G, because it is about a floating body. I have told the students so many times to memorize this condition MAG. the meta center must lie above center of gravity will give the rotational stability to the floating body. If it would have been submerged body, then the short trick to memorize the condition is BAG. The center of buoyancy must lie above center of gravity. So that is how the correct answer is option A. Let us move to the next question now.
So guys, let us see the next question. Yes. Next question is from strength of material 16. A simply supported beam length L is subjected to a loading, that is sinusoidal loading. This is a sinusoidal loading, and this sinusoidal loading is given as sin 3 pi x by L. Newton per meter inverse, that is x, is the measurement from the left at vertical reaction at left support is. For this case, I have already given you a shortcut. So this is the case of simply supported beam. I am just for the reference of yours making. This is the loading condition. So looking at this, you need to answer. Yes, bhai sahab, bahut hi badhiya. 7 students. So I feel once again many students have given the right answer. I already told you the trick. The trick for this is nothing but you just inverse the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is L upon 3 pi, means inverse of that is. Okay, so let us move to the next question.
Sir, one announcement I would like to make.
Yes.
Students might be thinking that the time is insufficient for the questions we are showing. Actually, there is a technical issue. What we wanted was, we wanted to show you the question, to read the question, to understand the question first, and then we wanted to start the timer to give the answer. But because of some technical issue at the back end of this Menti session, that the question as well as the timer hours are shown simultaneously. So we also feel that sometimes the time is not sufficient, but yes,
sir,
that is part and parcel.
But we have kept the question in such a way that those who are very much clear about, like this question was from the short trick you have done. With calculation you could not be doing. Okay, so definitely that is okay for all the students whose preparations are going well. And but sometimes you need to prepare for that. Sometimes time is not there.
Yes, and I want to say those who have just started their preparation, don't get disappointed.
Next question.
Don't get disappointed if you are not able to get the answer. Yes, the next question on the screen from the fluid kinematics. You need to find out the convective acceleration along x direction at point 2, 1, where the velocity is given in x direction as well as in y direction. 30 seconds we had given you. Now, I know the question might be a little lengthy, but try to do your best. That is what we want. Be positive. Try to get your right answer as much as possible. Only 2 students had got the right answer for this question. I think this question was a little lengthier, so that is why students could not be able to solve. But as we have already told you, because of some issue, the timer and the question are shown simultaneously at the same time. That is why. So acceleration in x direction is given by convective acceleration u into del u by del x plus v into del u by del y. You need to put the values. U is x square plus y square, then del u by del x is 2x plus, then v is 2xy, and then multiplied by del u by del y is 2y. Put the value 2, 1, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, so it will become 4 plus 1 into 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 into 1 into 2. If you will get the calculation correctly, then you will definitely get 28 units is the correct answer. 28 is the right answer.
So guys, let us see the next question then. Yes. So this is what did the driving pulley have on which a rubber, what diameter the driving pulley would be having. The dimensions are given to you guys. You can see this is a question from the bending, okay, from the concept of bending, where we have done the concept of pulleys. Okay, this is the question. Young's modulus is given to you as 100 MPa. E is given. Thickness is there 15 mm. This is T. And you need to find out the dia where they have given you the permissible stress. Okay, so guys, let us see how many of you have given. This time only 3 students have given the right answer. Maybe everybody, what kind of mistake do you have done? Sometimes we put radius in place of diameter.
Ahmed,
So,
the code is already there on the top of the screen.
yes, this is the code, dear. This is the code. So sigma B maximum is given as ET by D. Okay. So when you would be putting sigma B maximum is 5 MPa. E is 100 MPa. Thickness, if you see, is 15. Diameter you need to find out. You would be having 300 mm. So why the mistake have been done? Because you have found out radius, I feel. That is the mistake. Okay. So let us move further, guys. So I feel many
Two
of
more
you
questions,
have given.
sir.
Yes, 2 more questions are
One
there.
from fluid mechanics and one from strength of materials.
yes,
and
yes.
we are going to provide the PDF of this session to our respective Telegram group as well. So if you are not part of our Telegram group yet, do join our Telegram groups. It will be helpful.
Okay, this is the leaderboard. Okay. So that is the benefit of making the lead in the starting. Even you have not given the right answer, then also you are keeping that position.
Sir Big Fan had recently joined and he is the fastest.
Yes, great.
Entry बहुत धांसू
Yes.
मारिए.
So this is
Let
the
us move
next
to the
question,
next
question
one.
number 19, the last question from fluid mechanics.
Yes, sir. I hope you guys are enjoying this quiz. Which of the following is not an assumption for applying the Bernoulli equation? Theoretical question. There, the options are there on the bottom of the screen. Read the options and get your correct answer. Not an assumption. 3 more seconds to go. Your time is up. Yes, 6 students had given the correct answer for this question. If you see, yes, flow must be ideal and steady. That is the prerequisite for applying the Bernoulli equation. Flow must be incompressible. That is also one of the assumption. The flow is continuous and velocity is uniform over a section. What does that mean? Velocity is uniform at a section means whatever is the velocity V1, it will be same at each and every point at section 1. Similarly, whatever the velocity is at 2 will be same at each and every point at the section. It does not mean V1 is equal to V2. That is not the meaning of the third statement. The velocity must be uniform at any particular section. That is also an assumption for applying the Bernoulli equation, but only pressure forces are present. You must know that the other than the pressure force, gravity force must also be present. Pressure and gravity, if you consider pressure force and gravity force, that will get you the Bernoulli equation. So that is why the fourth option is not the right assumption for Bernoulli equation. Okay guys, so the last question.
We are here with the last question, guys. The last question, 20th, from strength of material. The outside diameter of a hollow. So this is from torsion. So guys, as I told you that I have covered all the topics, but yes, questions are very much basic. Today I wanted to check your fundamentals so that tomorrow I can make you doing some very good questions. Okay, so tomorrow's questions are going to be really kicking, so they would be definitely giving you a kick. So this is the question. You need to find out the ratio, and I feel many of you are going to give wrong answer in that because there is a twist in this question in the statement itself. Let us see. Great. So guys, you understood that twist, I feel. Okay, so dear, if you are talking about this question, the answer
Because
is,
all are your students, that is why they understood the twist.
so thanks sir for that. So guys, if you see the outside diameter of a hollow shaft is twice that of inside diameter, it means K is going to be, that is di by d naught, it is going to be 1 by 2. So guys, when we are going to have this, you already know that power for a solid shaft to that of a hollow shaft. this we are going to have as what? It is going to be 1 by 1 minus k to the power 4. But they are asking the ratio of hollow to the solid, because this is the case when outer diameters are same. So when you would be going for the inverse, it is 1 minus k to the power 4, and 1 minus 1 by 16 is nothing but 15 by 16. So this was the twist, and many students like these students have done the same mistake which I was expecting. So with this we have completed the questions, guys. Now let us see the leaderboard.
Final leaderboard.
Yes, this would be giving you the final results.
Sir, are we giving any prize to the topper?
Okay, we will plan. It was not planned before. Okay, but for the next time,
we will
definitely
give you the questions.
Yes, for the next time,
that is
we
the
will
best
be planning.
gift for the students.
So
Right?
in the next time, definitely we are going to plan.
KK is the topper.
KK is at the top position, but from the next Menti War, we are going to have some prize for the topper also. Okay,
Definitely, sir.
so this just came into mind right now.
And so many students must have committed mistakes.
So KK have topped this, so it means my team have won. So because A to J was for Chandra sir.
It is just at the boundary actually.
No, sir, boundary was J. So we won, guys. So congratulations to KK and me, because my team is the winner. So guys, it's just we are kidding for you guys. So guys, with this we have completed the session. Now tomorrow we are going to meet at 12 noon, and then we would be having a practice session where I would be covering some very good question from complete strength of material. And guys, that session would give you a complete revision of strength of material. So it is going to be helpful for both mechanical, civil, XC, all the candidates. Okay,
yes,
so
sir.
guys, do join that session, and for today we are signing off.
Yes.
So we would be coming with such Menti wars again and again, and also with the practice sessions. So guys, I have already shown you all the sessions which are upcoming. So definitely you shall join. So goodbye guys for this session.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much for being part of this session. Without your efforts, your involvement, the session could not have been completed. So many students must have committed the mistake, but I want to say everyone that if you do not commit mistake, you are not learning new things. So that is how it works. So with this note, all the very best, and see you in the next session. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.